Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Stare in the darkness, spark this candle for the journey into infinity within one deep breath.
Begin.
Attempt to ascend, but yo, I got to keep it real and keep myself grounded, even if I have to kneel. And give thanks for all I have and what is mine to gather divine master. I admit sometimes the devil keeps my mind placid. I ask for strength and pray you help me to further my true mission, strengthen my ambition, keep my foundation with the sounds praising at the same time blazing, raising the plateau on behalf of balance. Another day, another challenge. I swear I paid that bill. Thoroughbred with rap skills running on the track field with young stallions, feeling valiant. I'm trying to eat, son. I don't have time for beef. I'm trying to achieve my true belief. My purpose is to make the music and let you see it's a tool, and I'm trying to use it to incite. Been tight, but now I'm trying to make sure that everything stays alright. Bob Marley said everything will be alright. I thank you, Lord, for the music. Let me shine in your sight. It's like that. What? I spill my soul onto the wax. I put my whole onto the track. Lord, I'm trying to get over, but there's demons on my back, and they attack with all their might. If you could shine a light and let me praise you while I'm in your sight. I spill my soul onto the wax. I put my whole onto the track. Lord, I'm trying to get over, but there's demons on my back, and they attack with all their might. If you could shine a light and let me praise you while I'm in your sight. I stare into the flame, my brain attains levels of calm not reached, unfathomable. Without speech, communicating, orchestrating symphonies without notes. Quotes and hopes, they lodge in the throat. And the silence is incredible, delicious, edible, stimulating, intellectual and spiritual. Shut down function. After endorphin luncheon, bunching phrases at the speed of thought, blazes pages, the bar raises. My own spirit's focused to a point of lyrics. Ink becomes the lifeblood of my project. The last vision, incisions with razor sharp objects. Losing sight of the flame, I hear harps. Lord, is that you? Cutting through the psychobabble. Lord, is that you? On a white horse with silver saddle. Where's my flame? Retain the experience, relax, lay back and breathe, brother. It all comes back.
I can tell you lots of things that'll make you believe.
Child,
I can tell you lots of things that'll make you believe.
I stare at the remains, the stains, the burnt pain, the ashes, the smoke, the remnants of the flame. I contain and maintain another 24 to stress. Lord, I know I'm blessed because I see through this mess and realize every day is a test of balance. Haves and have-nots, wants and desires, sparking all kinds of fires. I admire the way you give me what I need, a tree growing from the smallest seed. Follow your lead and tap back in. Let us renew the cycle by destroying, multiplying by division, firing by employing. We are the resurrection of skills in your section, flexing from the Midwest and we're the best, even stay guessing. And some get left in the mix, but God's blessing the kids. Season into action, the lessons is here. Sometimes I'm stressing my wig, but I live and give thanks. Bugs me out too, I live and give thanks. I spill my soul into the wax, I put my whole into the track. Lord, I'm trying to get over, but there's demons on my back, and they attack with all their might. If you could shine a light and let me praise you while in your sight. I spill my soul into the wax, I put my whole into the track. Lord, I'm trying to get over, but there's demons on my back, and they attack with all their might. If you could shine a light and let me praise you while I'm in your sight. Stare into my eyelids and bid farewell to the moon and await the ancients. Sing that familiar tune, the hour looms. In my room the shrine stands, overlooking the boundaries. My mind scans and sees no limitations. Prepare for visitations, visions surreal, expansions, rejuvenation of the band machine. I stay locked, closed position, awaiting transmission. The master's plan vision. Man, wisdom is a tricky thing, based on dreams and ideas, according to environment and things you choose to hear. I'm putting the last good thoughts in the day on file, downloading the last MC I heard and what I like from his style. When's the last time you smiled? Whatever, clear your dome and prepare to restore energy to vital cells. Concentrate, forget everything. Good night, we bring the last fire of the night, so let the choir sing. Everybody, all together now. Everybody. Oh, fire!